In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the meeting code on Google Meet. Now, if you've ever found yourself scrambling for a meeting code just moments before you need to join, you're definitely not alone. This guide is designed to give you a stress-free experience by showing you exactly where to locate those all-important details. First things first, let's make sure you're all set up and ready to dive into Google Meet. You'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as you're comfortable navigating it. Once you've got that open, head over to the Google homepage. Either type in Google in your search bar or directly enter www.google.com. You're probably familiar with this homepage. It's clean, it's simple, and it's the gateway to getting to where we need to be. Once you've reached the Google homepage, you should look for the grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen, just beside the notification bell and your account icon. Go ahead and click on this grid icon. This click will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of Google services at your disposal, from Gmail to Drive, and of course the star of today's tutorial, Google Meet. Find and click on the Google Meet icon. This will direct you straight into the Google Meet homepage. If you don't see Google Meet right away, you might need to scroll down within the drop-down menu. Just keep scrolling until it appears. Google likes to mix things up occasionally with the arrangement of these app icons. Now that you're on Google Meet's homepage, the layout here is pretty straightforward. If your meeting is already scheduled, you should see it listed. However, the key to this video is locating the meeting code, so let's focus on that. Once you've selected the meeting you want to join, take a look at the invite details. On this page, you'll find your meeting code right there. It's usually prominently displayed because Google knows just how important it is. This code is a bunch of letters divided into sections, and it's crucial for anyone who might be joining your meeting. Before you wrap up, let's double-check this meeting code. Copy it to your clipboard. Just highlight it and hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or jot it down somewhere secure. Remember, if you're sharing this code, ensure it's with individuals you trust and who have permission to join your meeting. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward method to find and secure your Google Meet meeting code. By following these steps, you'll be prepared to join or share meeting information without any last-minute stress. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.